Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn long sounds of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A sounds A. E sounds A. I sounds E. O sounds O. U sounds A. Now let's go through the book. Primer B, Book 6. Long sounds of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Words that starts with letter A. Ape, angel, apron. Words that start with letter E. Equal, evening. Words that start with letter I. Ice, iron, ivy. Words that start with letter O. Oval, open, old. Letter U. Utensil, unicorn, uniform. Underline the word which has a vowel with long sound in each set. Ape, apple, ankle. Ape. Ape is the word with long sound. Next, E. Elephant, egg. Equal. Equal is the word with long sound. I. Ink, iron, injection. Iron is the word with long sound. O. Oval, ostrich, orange. Oval is the word with long sound. U. Umbrella, unicorn, unload. Unicorn is the word with long sound. Read and write the words. Ape. Fill up the blanks. Evening. Ice. Oval. Uniform. Fill up the blanks. Thank you. Have a nice day.